What's up, guys? So we're in San Antonio with Officer Paul. I guess it's Fenick. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Another drunk cop out of Texas, and we're going to go see what he's doing. We're going to read a little backstory here. We're going to watch the video, and then we're going to get out of here. Hopefully, maybe around the 15-minute mark. You never know. SAPD released body camera video of longtime officer arrested on duty with suspicion of DWI. SAPD Officer Paul Fenick tested nearly twice the legal blood alcohol limit. Also, I'd like to note, 90% of people that watch his videos are now subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. This was updated September 3rd. San Antonio Police Department released body camera footage on Tuesday which showed the arrest of one of its own duty officers for suspicion driving while intoxicated. SAPD Officer Paul Fenick was taken into custody on July 31st at the South Patrol substation with a blood alcohol content over 0.15, a Class A misdemeanor, police said. During roll call, SAPD Sergeant and Lieutenant detected odor of intoxicants on Fenick, police said. After they began the administrative process, Fenick drove his patrol vehicle out of the substation parking lot, SAPD said. The lieutenant then called him back, and Fenick returned right away. During the search of Fenick's patrol vehicle, police said they found an open beer container in a center console and a cooler filled with another open beer. A 13-minute long video, body camera video, which the news obtained on Tuesday. Two officers enter an office where Fenick is sitting at the desk. An officer approached Fenick and began reading his Miranda rights. "Are you kidding me?" Fenick told the officer at the 34-second mark in the video. According to the video, after his Miranda rights were read, Fenick was asked if he would submit to Standard Field Sobriety Test, SFST. The answer to that is always, no thank you. He initially denied driving, but officers told him there was video evidence that showed him driving in the parking lot. "You bring me to jail?" Fenick asked the officers before the test was administered. "I don't know. I can't tell you what's going on," the second officer told Fenick. The first officer also told Fenick he just needed to be evaluated. "If I refuse, I go to jail. This is blank blank. Hey, dude." Fenick said at the 1.51 mark in the video. He thought he was going to get a blue line discount. He thought he was part of the gang. He thought he was in the club. Apparently, he was not. 15 seconds of silence elapsed between Fenick and the two officers in the body cam video. "I'm on the same effing team. You don't realize that crap?" Fenick told the officers, according to the SAPD body cam video. "Yeah, the same team, the blue line team." "Nobody wants to be here, Paul. I can promise you that," the second officer told Fenick, "but we do have to make a decision on what you want to do." Fenick then agreed to take the test just after the 3-minute mark of the video. He said he didn't have a choice and called the officers effing rats. In one sobriety test, the officer also asked Fenick to follow the pencil with his eyes without moving his head. In the video, Fenick was seen moving his head immediately after the test began. Yes, he doesn't follow directions very well. Also, numbers, he's not big with numbers. In a heel-to-toe walk sobriety test, Fenick appeared to stumble several times as he attempted to walk in a straight imaginary line. The officer then instructed Fenick to perform the one-leg stand test, which required him to lift one leg approximately 6 inches off the ground. Also, don't know 6 inches. The video showed Fenick shaking during the test and nearly lost his balance near the end of the exam. In another test, officers asked Fenick to recite the alphabet from C to P and then count backwards from 54 to 41. Also, C to P. He asked them backwards. He's trying to make the test harder than it needs to be. According to the body camera video, Fenick did not recite the number 50 and paused before he reached 44. He was supposed to go to 41, but anyway. "Okay, Paul, I'm going to have to do the uncomfortable thing," one of the officers told Fenick. "Just turn around." The video ended with Fenick being taken into custody. Fenick, who had been with the department for 18 years, was placed on administrative duty. Paid, I'm guessing. According to the news analyst, Fenick is the third San Antonio police officer to face legal trouble in 2025. "I'm deeply disappointed that an officer would choose to drink and drive, endangering the very community they were sworn to protect," Police Chief William McManus previously said in a news release related to Fenick's arrest. "The behavior represents a clear violation of the public's trust and the standards of conduct expected for those in our department." SAPD said it's conducting a criminal investigation, administrative investigation into Fenick's arrest. McManus previously said he is requesting the investigation be expedited so termination proceedings could begin immediately or promptly. Same thing. Anyway, so yes, let's roll video. Now there's just going to be chatter. We're going to like bop through some of the chatter.
You have the right to remain silent. You do not make a statement oral or written to anyone. Any statement that you make will be used as evidence against you in a court of law or your trial. You have the right to have a lawyer present to advise you in a court of law or your trial. You may have your own lawyer present, or if you're unable to employ a lawyer, the court will appoint a lawyer free of charge, not at the time you want. If you decide to talk with anyone, you can. You can talk to stop.
I was in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, he saw you driving.
Yeah, I guess there's video of you driving. So.
But it is what it is. So basically,
It is what it is.
this
Anyway,
the
this
question
is
that
just
he's
going to
supposed
say what
tell
we
right
just
now.
read.
I just need to see if
They're going to, yeah, we're going to bop through this.
That's all your job to do at this point, Paul. But it's not your supervisor.
And let's get to the test.
I have no choice. So,
You can come in here.
go follow your sergeant. All right, Paul. Want to stay right there? Feet together, arms by your side. Just maintain that position until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any head conditions, anything like that? Epilepsy, diabetes, anything that you may be made aware of?
No.
No? You don't have anything like that? You've never been told you have anything going on?
No.
Okay. All I need you to do, sir, is keep your head still. I need you to focus on the tip of this pen, okay? Using your eyes and your eyes only. Make sure you're keeping your head still, Paul. Make sure you're focusing on the tip of the pen. Okay. Okay, same thing. Eyes and eyes only. Don't use your head. And then go up with it, okay? All right, Paul, go ahead and relax. Now, sir, next thing I'm going to ask you to do is face the wall over there, okay? And imagine a straight line, okay? I need you to place your left foot on said line. Try to go towards the middle there, a little bit to your right. Right there, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, place your right foot touching heel to toe in front of your left foot, arms by your side. I need you to maintain that position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand, Paul? Can I get a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. All right. When I tell you to begin, sir, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps straight along that imaginary line. As you're walking along that line, you're going to look down at your feet, count your steps out loud, looking down at your feet. Once you start, you can't stop. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate 3 steps. You're going to do 9, and then I'll simulate the turn and steps back. Okay. Once I tell you to begin, what you're going to do, you're going to walk along that, counting your steps out loud, looking down at your toes, and once you start, you cannot stop. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
No? Okay, so whenever you're ready, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 back.
As I instructed, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, Paul. So, this is going to be the one leg stand. At this point, I need you to put your feet together, arms by your side, just like this. Okay? And then, when I tell you to begin, or I need you to maintain that position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand, Paul? Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to raise whichever foot you desire, your whole leg. Left or right, does not matter. It's your choice. And no, when I tell you to begin, Paul, hold on.
Let's see which one I'm going to do.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise whichever foot.
6 inches off the ground. That's where we're at.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014,
1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020.
Okay, go ahead and stop. All right, Paul. Next thing I'm asking you to do, feet together, arms by your side.
Like this?
Yes, sir. Just like that. Okay, what I'm going to do is 2 circles close to your face. Okay, come to a brief pause and come towards your nose. Okay, I'm not going to touch you, sir. I just need you to focus on it, just like the horizontal gaze and the nystagmus exam.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Don't move your head.
One more time. Make sure you're keeping your head still, sir. Okay. All right, maintaining that position, I'm going to ask you to do another exam. What I need you to do with your feet together, arms by your side like I instructed. Go ahead and get in that position for me. Feet together. You're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes when I tell you to begin. No, when I tell you to, Paul. Okay. Just keep looking at me so you know what it looks like. When I tell you to begin, you'll tilt your head back and close your eyes. My eyes are really open because I'm demonstrating. And you're going to, once you believe the passage of 30 seconds has elapsed, look back at me, say stop, indicate to me that you're done the passage of 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, whenever you're ready, tilt your head back, close your eyes.
I'll give it to him. He's about spot on with this one. Of course, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. It's pretty easy to figure out 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was 30 seconds? Mm-hmm. How did you count exactly? Did you just count by numbers? Did you, like Mississippi's, anything like that?
Just regular numbers.
Just 1, 2, just like that? Okay.
No, you counted by letters. Of course,
Okay,
you counted
Paul.
by numbers.
With your feet together, can you point down at the ground like this? Okay. Rotate your wrists outward like this. Okay, and I need you to stay in that position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand, Paul?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Also, while he's administering this test, I'd like for you to stand up and take it and see how you fare.
Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes, and I'm going to call out either left or right. Can you raise your left hand for me? Right now. Can you raise your left hand for me? Okay, so you know your left from right.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So when I tell you to, you're going to, when I call out left, for example, you're going to touch, with your head back, eyes closed, you're going to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your finger and immediately back down. Don't use the pad of your finger. This is the pad of your finger. Don't use it. You're using the tip of your finger.
Okay.
Okay, same thing with right. Eyes back, or head back, eyes closed, tip of the finger to your right, index finger, back down. Don't wait for me to tell you to drop it back down. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, tilt your head back, close your eyes. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay, go ahead and relax, Paul. Okay, Paul. What's your highest level of education you've done?
Some college.
Some college? Okay. So you know the alphabet, you know the numbers, everything like that?
Yes.
Okay. Could you, without counting or without saying the song, the alphabet song, could you say the alphabet from C to P?
Backwards?
No, just
Stop making it harder. It has to be, Paul.
C to P.
C to P?
Yes, sir. C and the alphabet to P.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. And could you count backwards from 54 to 41?
54, 53, 52, 51, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, Paul. I'm going to have to do the uncomfortable thing, right? Just turn around.
Yes, Paul, you knew that was coming though, right? You'll be alright. Anyway,
Paul, go
that's
ahead.
where I with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like 80% of people watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I am out.